So, good day everyone. My name is Rowena Medico and I am a mathematical chemist and we will be discussing the legendary symbols and lexical symbols. So now, the legendary symbols denoted by A over P. So definition matawag na function wherein A is a integer and P is an odd prime numbers. So what is legendary symbols? In the number theory, the legendary symbols is multiplicative function with the values of 1, -1, and 0. That is the quadratic factor modulo of prime number P. So, now we're discussing the meaning or purpose of quadratic residues. So, the quadratic residues, the legendary it is an integer that is obtained with the square of another integer. It is taking a modulo in given positive integer n. So the legendary symbols, speaking of, the legendary symbol is denoted from or by A over P, the diminution of the Laplace function. So now we're going to the symbols divided as. So A over P equal to 0 if A is divisible by P or A is congruent of 0 both P. Now is A over P equal to 1 if A is quadratic residual modulo P, we have A squared congruent of A both P. Now we have A over P equal to -1 if A is not quadratic residual modulo P. Now we have a given example that analyzes what is our topic about or our exercises. Let us proceed to some examples for you to understand what our topic is all about. So in this we have calculation. We have example number 1, calculate the 3 over 7. So first is we need to determine if 3 is a quadratic residue modulo 7. So we need to find an integer x such that x squared is congruent to 3. So ano siya? Mode 7, which is the prime number. So mauli siya ang basihan to prove na ang 3 is a quadratic residue of modulo 7. So second, let's check the quadratic residues for x. So we have x na to by 1 to 6 since 7 is a modulo of this expression. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is our integers of x. So third is let's check the quadratic residues of these numbers. So in 1 we have 1 squared. It's congruent to 2 squared. Congruent to 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, and lastly is 6 squared. So we need to find the remainders to find the 3 or to prove the 3. So 1 squared is equal to 1 divide what is our root is 7. So 7 divided by 1 is 0. So 0 times 7 is 0, 1. So this is our remainder. Tapos lagyan natin ang mode ito. Mode 7. So the second is 2 squared. So 2 squared is equal to 4. 4 divided 7, 0 pa rin. Because it can't be divided. So 0, 4. 4, divided by 7, 7 divided by 9 is 1. 7. So 2 is the remainder. Same pa rin pa muna 7. We have 4 squared. 16. 7 divided by 16 is 2. We have 14. 2. So 2 is the remainder. Then 5 squared. 25 divided 7. 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. So 4 is the remainder. The last one is 6 squared or 36. Divided by 7. 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract 1. So this is the quadratic residue. So in this quadratic residue, we can see that wala siya remainder na 3, di ba? 1, 4, 2, 2, 4, and 1. So wala siya remainder of 3 of mode 7. So this expression 3 over 7. Sorry. 3 over 7. Since ang 3 ay since ang kanyang mga remainders 1, 4, 2, 4, 1. Wala siya 3, di ba? So equal siya sa negative 1. Muna siya ang legendary symbols. Ang kanyang negative 1, it indicates that 3 is not a quadratic residue mode of 7. So it not pag-prove or pag-solve. So let's proceed to example number 2, discussed by or explained by Clarence. So the second problem is given for our example is calculate the 4 over 5. So we express that like x equal to equal 500 to 4 over 5. So let's find if this is a quadratic residue. So i-prove natin siya ang quadratic residue. Quadratic residue ba siya sa 1, equal to 0? So first, kailangan ko ang mga remainder na possible na as quadratic residue siya. So 1, square root of 1, congruent. 2, square root of 2, congruent. 3, square root of 3, congruent. 4, square root of 2, congruent. So square root of 1, square root of 2 is 4, square root of 3 is 9, then square root of 4 is 16. So one is then solve na siya. So square root of 1 is 1, divided by 5 is 0. So 0, 5 times 0 is 0, minus 1, 0, that's 1. So 1 is 0. Next is square root of 2. Square root of 2 is 4. So 5 divided by 4. We're going to solve the segregation of the need. 5 times 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. So, we will have 4. That's 2, 3. 3 square root of 3 or 3 times 3 is 9. So, 5 divided by 9. So, 1. 9 minus 5 times 1 is 5. Then 9 minus 1 is 4. So the congruent of square root of 2 is 4. Let's do the square root of 2. As 4 times 4 is 16. So 5 20 times 16, 3, 15. 16 minus 15, 1. So the 4 square root of 2 is 1. So, makita lang po na na-assign similarity sa atong expression na ginagawa sa atong problem ng 4 over 5. So, nasa similarity o kakaparehas sa pagpapamilya ng Ruben or ang mga kawagan ng mga remainders. So, na-ay 4. So, tawag na ito siya o 1. So this will be 1. If 1 is equal to modulo 3, and 1 sa 2
Okay, 4 over 5 equals 1.
So this time, let us see the example number 3. So in example number 3, 22 over 11. So this time, we need to determine if 22 is quadratic residue modulo 11. So in this case, we notice that 22 is divisible by 11, right? Kaya pwede na siya mag-divide. So, 22 divided 11 is 2. So, 22 is 0. So, English is so, easy way. So, in this expression, it simply have 0. 0 siya, kaya ang kaming 22, divisible man siya sa 11. It means, ng kaming 22, pwede siya mag-divide sa 11, na ang answer is 2. Or pwede ko, 22 is complement to 0, which is, mali siya ang katong remainder sa pag-divide na ito ang mga expression or ang mga number. So, mode, so to prove this symbol, we have another example. So, how about 5 over 5? So, it is 0, right? Because 5 is divisible by 5, which is the answer is 1. So, muna siya legendary symbol. So that's all I learned about the legendary symbols and quadratic principle. So I hope you understand our report. That's all. Thank you. Thank you, sir.